Hey guys, welcome to the last day of anatomy. You made it. You are here. It's your last day of school. Congratulations. Please know that I am so proud of each and every one of you. Like, so proud that you stuck with it. Um, and I am just really hating the fact that we aren't together in the classroom today, like hanging out and just having like a good time. I miss you guys. I miss seeing you every day. I miss talking to you every day. Um, so make sure that you keep in touch as you move on past Heron, because I want to know like where life takes you. I'm sure you all have bright futures and you're gonna do great things. Um, for class today, it's a pretty low key day. Um, we are doing a Kahoot. The Kahoot is it's just a short review of the reproductive system, and then after that there is a quiz. So the quiz, oh, Chester just meowed. The quiz is over or not just the menstrual cycle. It's over the reproductive system. So yes, menstrual cycle, but also oogenesis, spermatogenesis, and like reproductive anatomy. Okay. Um, because this is our last class, you have the option for like best out of 3 tries on that quiz. So you can take that quiz up to 3 times, and I will take your best score. The quiz is shorter. It's not a super long quiz because we didn't get through the entire reproductive unit, which makes me bummed, but I'm glad that we got through what we got through. And then the last thing for today is the end of course like evaluation Google Doc or Google form. And please give me like honest feedback on there. I want to know what you thought about the class. I use that stuff, and like if people are like, I really liked like the cardiovascular unit, that's something that sometimes I go more in depth the next year. So I use it to really like help change the course. So give me some feedback on there. I'd love to hear it. I miss you all. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Make sure that as you go out into the world, that you use those great critical thinking skills that you learned here. Last thing, on the previous Google form, there was a question and answer section. There was only one question asked, and that question was, what happens if a person skips the like placebo week in their birth control pills? I'm gonna make a separate video about that and explaining like what hormonal birth control is, because it's super interesting and also it's super like in depth, and so I want to give it like the time to give myself time to explain it. So it's an optional video. You can check it out. It'll be on Haiku and on my YouTube channel, which I have bots commenting on my YouTube videos, which is annoying. Yeah. So check out that video if you're interested in what happens when you skip a placebo week on birth control pills. Today you're doing the Kahoot, you're taking the quiz, you're doing the end of course evaluation. I'm so proud of all of you. Shoot me an email with a life update. I will see you in the funnies.